If after trying all of the optimization and troubleshooting suggestions in this knowledge base, you still find yourself running into problems with Pro Tools, then try creating a new user account. It's a simple thing to do and works as a great troubleshooting exercise. Let me show you. To create a new user account, we need to be in the Control Panel. From the Start menu, choose Control Panel, and when it opens, click on User Accounts. It will display the currently logged in user. In this case, that's me. Click on Manage Another Account and then click Create a New User Account. In the next window, give the account a name. I'm going to call it Pro Tools and Music. And instead of the standard user, I'm going to make it an administrator account. Then click Create the Account. Now it's important to protect your user account, so click it and assign a password. Type something that you'll remember, tab to confirm it, and then tab again if you want to put in a password hint. If not, then just leave it blank. Now create the password. You may also want to assign a different picture, but of course that's purely optional. When you're done, close the User Accounts window and from the Start menu choose Log Off. It'll take a moment for the login window to appear as the existing user is logged off. When the login window does appear, log into the newly created account, but before we run Pro Tools, let's just flight check a couple of important things. I'm going to go back to the Control Panel. Now, in this new user account, the Control Panel is back to being viewed by category. So I'm going to change that to Large Icon View. I'm going to just double check that the computer's power options are set correctly and that the Pro Tools power plan is selected. If yours is on Balanced, then put it on Pro Tools or refer to the Power Management movie to make a plan that's optimized for Pro Tools. Okay, last thing, click on All Programs and find Pro Tools, then right-click and choose Properties. From the Compatibility tab, make sure that Disabled Desktop Composition is enabled and that you're running Pro Tools as an administrator. Really important. Make sure that this is turned on. Then Apply or hit OK, same thing. And then let's go back to the same place, find Pro Tools, right-click, and I'm going to send a shortcut to the desktop. Nice. Now you're going to want to launch Pro Tools, and when you do, you're going to get a notification about the change of color scheme. And you can click on it, and in the next dialog, just choose Don't Show Me This again. Now Pro Tools will continue to launch. When it's finished, you're going to want to open up a session so that you can continue troubleshooting. You're going to want to test playback and recording so that you can verify that any issues you had before have indeed been taken care of.